First of all, I guess most of my policies are long-term for maturity. So wala pa ako nagmamature. And if ever mag-mature, ay pinapasok ko ulit siya. It's just really set aside for investment, set aside for insurances, for policies. And mas malaki kasi yung maturity value niya if it's long-term, obviously. And one thing I'm able to impart to my son is that it's not all about getting policies, setting your future right, securing it, but it's also there should be a pay forward kind of thing. You give back to the society, you give back to the community through, of course, the programs that you have, the events that we have, and every year, even once or twice a year, I hold events with Sun Life, and we partner up with Star Magic. So that's one thing I want him to follow through. I want him to do as well when I'm not that active anymore, because it shows the nobility of your heart that you're using your influence in the right way.
Your question was, ano yung mga nagawa ng mga youth ngayon na hindi dapat i-focus at dapat mas lalo sa mag-focus sa earnings nila at kung yung future nila ay yung future nila. I think one thing that I noticed is that yung mga parties, halos every night they would go to parties and spend a lot because of it. I think it's not that important. It's gonna come when it comes. Dapat maghintay tayo lahat sa tamang edad kung kailan tayo mag-party.
So pag 18 ka na, mag-party ka na?
I'm gonna party for sure, pero hindi naman yung every
For sure!
With Papa. Sama ka. Yeah, I don't think we should focus on those things. Even the stuff that we buy, kung mga stuff na hindi naman natin kailangan, hindi naman kailangan bilhin. What's the point of buying it? I think we should focus on the things that we need. Pero, once in a while, it's always good to buy things that will make us happy, that will give us pleasure.
Madam po, next.
Okay, next question from Ning, one of our vloggers.
Yes, madam.
Sino ba na?
Since nasabi ko kanina, since you're both ambassadors of Sun Life, and parang agents na din kayo, yung
Mga may agent eh. Bibili ka ba na insurance na?
for practicality reason lang, yung mga anong ma-advise sa mga average wage earners na kukunin nila per month or quarterly na kukulang hanggang magkano.
There's a policy for everyone, depending on your social status or social class. We have Miss Maylene will further expound on this because mukha lang kami agent. Hindi talaga kami agent.
Ginawa na talaga sila There are policies talaga that cater to almost everybody. We have policies that go for as low as 500 pesos a month. So kaya-kaya naman yun ng mga, ng mga employees. Meron din kami yung sinasabi kong personal accident insurance, 50 pesos lang actually for a year. Covered ka na for any accident na yung to disable you. So, of course, we try to cater to all kinds of Filipinos. So, we also try to make our products accessible and affordable. Kaya-kaya naman.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Exactly my point.
I was gonna say that. Hindi ko lang yung figure.
I guess we're good. Okay, no more questions.
Ay, baka si Tita Liz.
Tita Liz.
Yes, it is. Yung
Ito ang ating closing question.
This is a non-Sun Life question. Tanong lang, are you both attending with Star Magic Ball? At sino ang date nyo?
Yeah, we're going together. Kami po yung magka-table para masaya.
May bantay.
Balik tayo niya ako? Or the other way around? Wala po. Yeah. Kami nila wala. Para may iba naman.
Nico, you have a date daw.
My dad, wala pa. Hindi pa siya 18 eh. 2 days before siya mag-18, so hindi mag-18.
Okay, last question na. Alright, and that ends our question and our answer portion. Thank you so much, Mr. Bill Pascual and Higo Pascual. How about a big hand for our Sun Life ambassadors? And thank you once again to all our friends in the press. I think Hood is ready, so